Hi there, Barbie lovers. Did you know that the color changing topic was not invented in the last 20 years by Mattel, but it is a very old one from the early years? I'm Busy Bee from Germany, and today I'd like to show you something very special from my collection. This here is my new Color Magic Barbie. You have probably seen one before, but I'd like to tell you the story of this Barbie today, because there's an interesting background story about the color magic. I read about this story in the Barbie Bazaar several years ago. You know, these hairs took a long time to develop, and the costs were higher than expected, and they tend to break. I know it sounds crazy, but you have to be very careful when you have the Color Magic dolls. So I don't want to try the hair changing function with baking soda and vinegar here today. I'm not sure if I will try it at all, because they are so fragile, the hair is so fragile of these dolls that you don't want to ruin them. So the story goes that Mattel wanted to market a doll with the color changing hair function, as I asked you in the first part. Did you know that color changing mechanism was not invented in the recent years, but in the early years? So this was the first model here, and have a closer look. The costs were so high that when she came out in 1966-67, the price was too high, so that she did not sell well. That made her interesting to the collectors, because among the collectors she is popular because she is bonded with the story I just told you, I know. Here. So this was the first try to develop something with a hair color change. You know, they wanted to have something that was safe for children. I don't have her original swimsuit and the rest of the original box but I think it's quite interesting to share this with you. I also like the Print Plenty dress that I got when she arrived. Was in the box when she came. Super great dress. I have another version of this dress. I like it, and it does not really seem to be from the 60s when you don't know it, because it looks kind of modern, doesn't it? This is the little crazy story about the color magic hair changing function and the development. When you want to know more about this story, you can have a look into the old Barbie bazaars. It was written in one of the old Barbie bazaars. I think the inventor was Jack Ryan. And if you had one as a child, please let me know when you saw them in the stores, in the shelves. Was it interesting for you, this feature? Was it not? Did you have one when you were a child? Or why did you not wanted one? Please let me know in the comments below. I'm super curious about this doll. Or when you are a collector, vintage Barbie collector, do you also have one, or do you have more than one? So she's just my first version of this doll, and I'm super happy that I have finally one after almost 30 years of collecting now. My dear viewers, I hope you like my little new Color Magic Barbie. And thanks for staying until the end of this video. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. See you very soon. You're Busy Bee from Germany. Bye!